You are an options trader that looks to sell premium for income, then the number one skill that you need to learn is how to roll options effectively. So I'm really glad that you found this video. And if you are brand new, the playlist link is down below. So you can roll back all the way down to trade one, where I sold an in the money put option on Coinbase. Now, I don't sell in the money put options, but I've done this for a reason, to really show you guys live step by step. And I walked you through all the three trades so far, and we'll go through trade four in this video on how I'm planning on exiting this position, and also making a return on investment. So I really hope that you enjoy this. Make sure you like and subscribe and comment if you have any questions on the concept of rolling. So just to let you guys know again, if you are new, very, very quick recap that we did sell the in the money put option expiring on August 25th, and we did receive a nice fat premium of $430. Now, as I mentioned in the intro, I have no plan on owning any shares in Coinbase, especially at the $75 mark. I think Coinbase is valued around the 40-ish mark. And again, I've got other videos around value investing, which is what I primarily use to sell options against. But a lot of you guys are looking to trade meme stocks or high premium stocks. And I wanted to give you guys this little mini series on how to roll down options effectively. So the strategy we've been trying to do since the beginning is roll down and out. And what that means is we want to roll down in strike price and roll out in expiration to give us more time, and hopefully do that to achieve a net credit. And as you can see from trades 1 to 3, we started at $75 and we've been able to roll down to $71. And we are at an expiration date of September 16th. I'm recording this on September the 8th. So as you can see, I rolled out by a week from 26th to 2nd. As Coinbase started to go down, I had to roll out for 2 weeks to continue getting that net credit. And I could have waited. Again, we are only on September 8th, so I still had about a week and 3 days remaining. But I've decided to roll out again, because I had the opportunity. As Coinbase started to go up, this option started depreciating in value, which gave me the opportunity to roll down again, only by $1. You can see we've gone from $2, $2 to $1 now, for another week out from 16 to the 23rd, again achieving a net credit. So not only are we picking up credits as the weeks go by, but what we're also doing is taking risk off the table. So if you remember, we first sold the $75 put, and if you are doing cash secured puts, you have to put up $7,500. We are now, as we've been rolling down over the past 4-ish weeks, you can see now we are at the $70 strike. So with that being said, we have reduced or taken $500 risk off the table. So worst case, if we did get assigned these shares, then we have taken $500 off the table. And again, like I said, we've also generated $555 in premium. So just to confirm, what we did is that we bought back the 71 put expiring September the 16th, and then we sold the $70 put expiring on September 23rd. And you can see that Coinbase yesterday, off the back of one of the Fed's speeches, I think it was about 6-7%, it rose up. So we took advantage of this volatility. And we are, what was that, $1.75 away from our strike price. So we've always been in the money since we sold this back at this point around the $75 mark, wherever 75 is. And the price has been around this area here. So we've always been in the money. And we've just been, so you can see here, as the price has been, as Coinbase has been going down, we are going down in strike and also picking up money as the market continues to tank. And, it's bouncing off. We've had a double low here, or double bottom, at the August monthly pivot. And as I talked about in the last video, we have a missed daily pivot from 3 days ago, and we still have September's monthly pivot still open, which is fine. It doesn't need to hit, but we talked about this before, that I'm expecting, even if we were to get retracement in this area, all we needed to do is go above 70, which is, for Coinbase, $1.75 move is not that big, but you got to remember we've got this till the 23rd now. So my aim, where possible, is just keep rolling down, down and out. So, and the way I kind of use this analogy is that if this is our strike price, so this line here is our strike, and what the share price is doing. So we are in the money, aren't we? So we want to be like, I'm getting myself confused at the moment. There we go. So, and then this is the share price, and what we want to do is as the share price does this, whatever happens here, and our strike continues to go down, price. At some point, we will get this situation over here, where we cross over between our strike price and we are technically out of the money. So we start in the money, and this is what's been happening. We're starting in the money. We've had a couple of blips up, it continues to go down. And as we continue to put that strike down, eventually our strike price and the current price need to meet. And we obviously want this to happen a lot sooner, but it could happen at any point, and that's what we need to continue to do. So if Coinbase decides to do this tomorrow, Jerome Powell is speaking tomorrow, then we'll get that X position that we were talking about before, at this level over here. And that's what we need. And all we need it to do is do that and maintain this level. So then again, we can eventually roll all the way down. Then our strike may potentially go like this. Over there, so we can do a bigger roll as time goes on. The other good thing to note is we have banked $550. So we talked about this again before. At the moment, we're getting net credits every time we roll the option. I'm quite happy to roll this down to let's say $65, for example, and give back $100. Right, so I'm happy to walk away from this trade at $455 to get the strike down by $5, and then to get ourselves out the money. So I'm not using this money potentially as income or whatever until I'm officially out of this trade. I'll book and bank the income. At the moment, I'm seeing this as an unrealized gain at the moment, that until I'm out of this trade, whatever I've left here is what I bank as potential profit from this particular trade. So I'm still, all these little crumbs of $50, $25, $50 that I'm gaining helps me to do a negative roll, or a debit roll as it's called, if I need to do this for this particular stock. And that again is the key. I'm happy to roll down and out for a net debit if that's what I need to do to get myself out of this trade. And I'll keep telling you this until you're blue in the face, that this is what we need to do. We're looking to get to the equilibrium point. I don't know if that's the right term here. Whatever that looks like, we just need price to get, even if it might do this, right? But if it does this by our expiration date, if we get somewhere up here, I will roll this. I don't mind being in this trade for a long time, as long as I'm creating distance between the strike price and the current price. So far, we're doing exactly what we need to do, even though the price, it has got to lows of, what's the low here? The low is $61. We are still managed to eking out net credits and rolling down by $5. So my next trade, I'll look to try to get 69, 68, or if Coinbase goes above 70, then I probably might play this one out to see if I can let it expire worthless. So I'll continue this series until we're out of this trade. I don't know if that's going to be the next video or 10 videos from now. So make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and I should see you guys in the next video.